About hello guys, this is Pankaj Kumar from Everything Programming Activity. In this session, we are going to talk about the element exception and we will start creating the locators for the element. So, what is the element in the web page? So, anything or everything that we can see in the web page, like buttons or links, some text, edit box, drop box, or any elements that we need to work with automation script as an element. So before we can automate, we can make an action on the element. So first we need to locate it. We have to some code that can locate the element, and then we can tells into the certain actions like first locate the button and then do click action. That's how it's work in the session. So we will see how locate the element. So how create the locators using the attribute id, name, etc. And in this video we will understand the html basic. Why we are doing that? Because the basic structure of web page is the html. Being no need to go and deep inside the HTML. Only a basic knowledge of HTML is required. So in this session, let's create the basic HTML file. And just to get used the structure inside the project. So I'm going to create HTML file. So basically, to create any files, click on the project and go to new, and inside new select file over here. Let's give the name age basic html dot html and finish it. This is a file created. You can see this is a file created. Every html start with heading age a doc or type DOCTYPE doc type html. So it's tag. And that's the begin. We will start with html tag, and whatever code will have, whatever tags will have, we will insert the html. Sorry. Yeah. And we will insert this. Every beginning tag has ending tag that show scope of the document, that the particular tag. Now what is the tag? So it is the predefined keyword that's used to define a certain type of element. Like for example, if you want to create a link, then that's a tag. If a tag for division, div tag, and for heading, we have certain tags. I'll give you the document which contains our rights, different tag with the in the description. It was the end session. Let's quickly create a very simple small document and see it appears on the web page. So inside the HTML, I am going to simply create a body. So let's create a body tag body. And inside the body tag, I'm going to create a heading. It's H1 H1 and welcome to ABRYTH. Everything. RAMMING. Everything's programming activities. Everything programming activity. And let's create a inside heading. Let's create subheading H3. Sorry, H3. Sorry, H3 tag and learn it easy. Learn it easy. Let's add a div tag. Sorry, div. And inside the division, add the links that can add by using a tag. Now we can add some attribute like where this links point to, so that attribute we can add inside the beginning tag and ending. Let's beginning tags. Let's say first attribute I want to add as a tag. I want to add a link area HRVF. Sorry, HRVF. HRVF. That's the location where links is pointing to. So let's edit some URL over here. And we can add multiple attributes, say id is equal to, you can give any one id name here. If we have a text that will go to begin and ending tag, so I am just say mm, programming activity. So link name will appear like this, and then if someone click on this, if someone click on this link, it will go to the site location. That's it. uh, be enough, and let's save this document and run it. Sorry, it's under the new project, and let's let's save it. Let's save it, this document and run it, and run open with and open it with web browser like we, we can see it is a heading, it is a subheading of. So likewise there is a different text we can use to simulate the different UI, like to add paragraph, different type to add the form. We have different text. So let's we must quickly walk you thought list of text. Yeah, you can see that we can use. It is a document that you can download from the description. And if you have any questions, comment me below. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new in our video, please subscribe, share, and like it. Thank you for watching.